Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can find your account ID in Among Us. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the Among Us application on your device, and once you are in the home screen of Among Us, tap on the My Account button on the left. Inside My Account, tap on Account. Now this will reveal your username, height, weight, level, and other information for your character. Tap on Show Account ID, and there you have successfully found your account ID on the screen. The account ID is unique to your profile and stores your cosmetics, XP, and data. If you tap on that again, you will be able to copy your account ID. Now, in case you need to contact support or link your account across devices, having your account ID will come handy and helpful. And that is how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Among Us tips and tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.